So it's time to get rid of these goofy mirrors on Pantina. I've already took the old mirrors off. I used this existing hole to mount my top mirror bracket, like so. And then I kind of let it self-level itself once I got it bolted up. And then I bored my other two holes. So let's see how good we can do this. Before we bore too far, let's go using riv nuts and a riv nut gun to install this. Got it cheap off Amazon. It's a 7/16 hole we need to bore for this. There we go. Now we're going to thread the riv nut onto the tool. Alright, it's in place, and I'm going to squeeze this thing down about twice and tighten it up. It should be there. Alright. Solid as a rock, installed. Ended up with a bunch of stainless steel 5/16 bolts, so we're going to put that in there and make sure it fits. Oh yeah, threads in like a dream. Alright. Now, on the last one I had to open these holes up just a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Get that out of the way. And that'll also provide us with a little adjustment if we need it. So I'm just going to go really slow and careful with this step bit. Alright, that took a slotted hole and made a round hole out of it. I'm going to try it again from this side. Maybe y'all can see it better. Alright, slotted hole, made a round hole. Them shavings are hot. Alright, and that makes 3 round holes. Now I'm not going to do anything fancy or pretty or perfect. All I'm going to do is match it up with this body line. It's pretty close right there. We're going to call it good. And we're not even going to go real crazy about marking this thing out. A lot of folks get real particular and tied up on that kind of stuff. But on this nice original truck, we're going to just do it. My Bondo senses are tingling. Never hurts to check before you go any further. Perfect. Gonna cock the gun. Then thread it on. And crimp it twice. Once. Thread it on deeper. Twice. Thread it all the way on. You're seeing the pattern here. Keep dropping the bolts. All right. Threads right in. One more bolt hole, we'll be done. All right, got the nut threaded on. Crimp it twice. Lucky there, the bolt holes line up perfect. Oh yeah, this is gonna look a whole lot better than these cheap motorhome mirrors or whatever somebody thought was a great idea to install on this turd. Now we'll be able to see what's going on behind us. Like all them Mustangs we'd be passing, winning races against and such. All right, that ain't going nowhere. We'll be able to see behind us now. Thanks for watching. Y'all check out the channel for more updates on Pantina and all my other projects. Thank y'all for watching.